Hi, what we have today is the Samsung SmartThings motion sensor. This is a two-in-one device, so it not only senses motion, it also senses the temperature. So you can get it to trigger an alarm system, you can get it to trigger lights, but you can also get it to trigger something like your air conditioning or a fan if the temperature reaches a certain amount. Anyway, let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Okay, first thing we've got to look at is the welcome to your motion sensor manual from Samsung. What we've got inside is we've got a couple of guides. The first one is about placement and suggestions. On the other side of the page we've got information indicating where the pairing button is, etc. If we look at what we've got next, we've got your warranty information. It's a 1-year standard replacement warranty. These are pretty stable, so I don't think you're really going to need anything like that. If we turn it around, you can see on the back we've got a mounting plate. If we remove the mounting plate and we have a look inside, what we've got is a 15 feet 120 degree field of view sensor. If we pop the back plate, you've got a template to be able to screw the holes in the wall, and then we've actually got a keyhole on the back so you can put a screw and fit it directly if you wanted to. If we look at the side, we've got a pull tab. What that'll do is it will make the connections for the CR2477 cell. That will make that go live, so as soon as you pull it, you're going to start using battery power. It's a 3-odd volt standard coin cell. In the motion sensors they are a little bit bigger than what you'd normal have, but here you've got the pairing button. If you place your sensor next to SmartThings when you're trying to detect, press the button, ask it to detect, it should find it without any trouble. You can press it a couple of times. Right, what else we've got in the box? We've got a couple of screws, we've got some stickers so you can stick it to the wall, but that's about it. I mean, you've got everything that you probably need to be able to get this up and running within about 15 minutes, I should think. But that's it. That's what we've got there. We've got the Samsung SmartThings motion sensor. See you next time.